Hello guys, welcome to Ghanatoday TV, and once again I'm Nana Kofi. I'm here to bring you another trending and exciting story on social media. So Tracey Boakye and Hon.Kennedy Agyapong are trending massively as Tracey Boakye pleads and asks that Hon.Kennedy Agyapong forgives her. And I by because Hon.Kennedy Agyapong asasi radio awako disclose on say Papano no the target ex-president John Dramani Mahama no it was all a joke. Na semi by na Tracey Boakye so yina no awoka said these jokes that Hon.Kennedy Agyapong did was expensive. Na jokes ya or the good ex-president Mahama who fi papa but no Tracey Boakye there. She's glad say Hon.Kennedy Agyapong about be disclose it was all a joke and it was all false. And Tracey Boakye Crampo went on ahead to say that Hon.Kennedy Agyapong should forgive her for insulting him around that time. Now no beef no Papano beef na chese with me camera seen him no di Hon.Kennedy Agyapong atempoto now Hon.Kennedy Agyapong so on the TV station no so akwa kudina temo wonom poto no. Tracey Boakye say Hon.Kennedy Agyapong and fan channel, but Tracey Boakye she says that she's very glad. So Hon.Kennedy Agyapong about be disclosed say John Dramani Mahama, ex-president of Ghana, is not a Papano. There be no Tracey Boakye they no wajia to say or Papano. Nenso ne Papano no on a politician or a businessman and say owo sika papa. Nti say Ghana for na moka say ex-president John Dramani Mahama or a Tracey Boakye Papano no. Or say it was all false. And the Okan yen so about say it was all a joke. Hon.Kennedy Agyapong so about because it was all a joke there. And she's really glad. And Hon.Kennedy Agyapong so fan channel say around that time no we did not tempo on social media. So yes, that's what is trending on social media, and I had to bring it to you. Please do also subscribe to Ghanatoday TV, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, as well as leave your comments in the comment section below. Yes, so it's Ghanatoday TV, and once again I am Nana Kofi. Thank you.